Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I will be showing you how to change font style on Weebly website. The first thing you want to do once in your Weebly dashboard, at the top you are going to tap on Theme. After selecting Theme from the drop-down menu on the left-hand corner, you are going to tap on Change Fonts. Then from here you can select the section of the website that you would like to change the font style for. So let's say for example I want to change the font style for the site title, which would be this section right here. I can simply tap on site title. Then you can see the font style that was being used was Montserrat. I can simply tap on that to change it. Then you will see the different fonts you can choose from. So let's say I want to use that one right there. You can see that the font has been changed, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.